Hello, my dear viewers, friends, and my beautiful subscribers. A delight welcome to my amazing channel, Fashion Addiction, which is the premium online channel for high-end dresses, shoes, and other fashion accessories from around the world. My dear friends, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. Friends, hope you will be fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. My dear friends, today I am going to show you some of the best and the latest designs of embroidery, boho style shirts and blouses for lovely women. My dear viewers, these blouses, designs and looks are very pretty and gorgeous as well. And friends, these blouses are only selected for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. So friends and my lovely viewers, here is the fun thing for you all. If you like them all, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you like my video, then surely notification bell will definitely help you daily to get my fashion updates as soon as I publish them. My dear friends, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of embroidered blouses. And these styles are not only fits with your style and your budget, but also manage to represent everything that is special about your personality. So friends and my lovely viewers, to see all your favorite designs, watch the video till the end. My dear friends, whether you want to wear one for a night out on the town, during a shopping spree with friends, or on a hot date, these stunning designs are a one-size-fits-all solution for your fashion needs. And in the meantime, you own one of these stunning and gorgeous designs, and you will love wearing it. My dear friends, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. My dear viewers, we brings you the best of the best from each designer's collection, and making it possible for our viewers to feel like they have a personal stylist. So friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and it would be an honor for me to serve you daily if you hit that like button also. Friends, please don't forget to comment your suggestion of which video should do next. Friends, take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Love you all.